Did you know there's a plant whose smell ticks absolutely can't stand? The most interesting part is that many people walk past it for years without ever realizing how surprisingly effective it really is. Today I'll show you how I make a simple homemade mixture that I use before going into the garden, forest, or tall grass. We only need a few natural ingredients, and one of them always surprises people. First, I pour some hot water into a container. Then I add 1 spoonful of this plant. Can you guess what plant it is at first glance? It's wormwood, a plant with an extremely strong smell because it's rich in essential oils and natural compounds like thujone. Thanks to these aromatic compounds, its scent may help repel ticks and other pests. Next, I add a few spoonfuls of lemon juice. Besides giving the mixture a fresh scent, lemon contains natural aromatic compounds that create its recognizable citrus smell. Interestingly, many insects and pests try to avoid these kinds of intense scents. Instead of lemon, you can also use apple cider vinegar. After the lemon, I add a little peppermint essential oil. Just a few drops are enough because peppermint oil is very concentrated. Mint is rich in menthol, which gives it that cool and powerful freshness we instantly recognize the moment we smell it. Because of this refreshing and penetrating scent, mint has been used in natural mixtures for many years. When all the ingredients combine with the wormwood, the mixture develops a very strong and distinctive herbal smell. At first glance, it looks like ordinary herbal water, but the scent of this combination is so intense that many people use it before spending time outdoors. Once the mixture cools down a little, I strain it through cloth or gauze to remove all the plant residue and get a clean liquid. Then I pour it into a small spray bottle. I like using these small bottles because they fit easily in a pocket and can be carried almost anywhere. I usually spray this mixture on clothing, shoes, or around the legs before going outside into nature. I also likely apply a small amount to the skin, but just to be safe, it's always a good idea to first test a tiny amount on a small area of skin to make sure it suits you. Write in the comments if you've ever used wormwood against ticks and what you personally use when going into forests or tall grass. Greetings and cheers!